Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Internet of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. In any case, with this consistent development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Jasmy platform fills in as an information insurance convention that places information a vote-based system at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces, PDL. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing twisting, and what's the cost figure for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin, Jasmy? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunite Kando made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, consequently innovating the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves a tremendous scope of issues and purposes. The coin was sent off first in Tokyo, Japan, before significant trades recorded it and thusly viewed as the principal official Japanese crypto coin and controlled by the nation's administration. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the foundation and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in an information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, Interplanetary File System, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework, yet the organization used to construct it as International Space File Systems, IPFS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. The advantage it offers to an individual is that you're accountable for your information and its utilization case, offering it to whomever you pick. Jasmy's organization will probably act as a reliable stage for clients and organizations that utilization their foundation and guarantee that its situation in the market can in any case take care of one of the first concern issues of modern times. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price predictions. From every one of the specialized instruments that have been applied to the Jasmy outline, it either showed a negative position or a nonpartisan one. Most day-to-day and week-after-week remarkable moving midpoints, EMA, and basic moving midpoints, SMA, gave negative signs. Nonetheless, the volume-weighted moving normal, VWMA, and the Hull moving normal, HMA, gave purchase signals. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price prediction 2022. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, Jasmy. The Jasmy cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.014755. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.013771 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.011804. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Jasmy coin Jasmy cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.024592. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Jasmy's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.019673 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.021641. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price prediction 2024. If the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.034429 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.031478 and a low of $0.02951 in 2024. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price prediction 2025. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2025. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.044265, with a base cost of $0.039347 and a typical cost of $0.041314. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.051151 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.049184 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $0.054102. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.060988. In the event that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0.063939, neglecting to assemble the help Jasmy needs by